Kuya, what did you say a while ago? We haven't, what?
Bought anything.
Yeah, we haven't bought anything because always, kasi lagi siya sabi ni Papa Mike, check mo yung sa Amazon. Mas mura po sa Amazon. Ba't pa kayo pumunta dito? Ha, Papa?
Hi guys! Dito kami ngayon sa IKEA sa Canton Township. It's our first time since we've been here in the US for more than 2 years. And may listahan si Mama Jub. So we'll see kung magkano at kung bibilin namin itong mga nasa listahan na to. So say hi!
Hi! Papunta kami sa showroom guys. Yan. Listahan. Ito guys yung listahan ko. So, orasan, bookshelf, book holders, bar under TV, lamp. Yun. So, dito kami sa showroom area. So, it's nice. It's always nice in IKEA, Papa. So, pang ilang punta na natin sa IKEA to, Papa?
Sa US, first time?
First time, yeah. So far, pangalawang punta pa lang namin sa IKEA stores, no? Kasi the first one was where?
Singapore.
Singapore. So, hindi pa kami nakapunta sa IKEA sa Pilipinas. So, this is our second time and it's our first time in the US. Itong center table is $80. Yeah. So, itong carpet, rug na to is $150. Love seat chair is $300. Ito siya. Tapos, yung mga is $15. Magkano to? Yeah, $20. Cushion cover. Ala? Cushion cover lang, Papa, oh. $20. Sofa, yung mga ganyan is $400. Ito is $3. Mga love seat lang ata yung tawag dito eh. Yeah. And then this one is for $50. Why?
This one and this one and this one.
No, that's not what we need. It's not on the list. No.
On the list.
Ano sabi mo, Papa?
Follow the list.
Follow the list.
It's like when the bus looks our passengers.
Oh yeah, it's like that. So dito sa sala area. Lumapit ako guys, kala ko totoo. So mga peke pala siya na mga ano. Pero it's nice aesthetically, pero kasi maalikabok. So wag na lang. Ayan, yan yung maganda sa'yo. Leather. Old fashioned. Old fashioned is leather. 2, 4, 5. Pero ito hindi pa kasama. This one is how much? Separate eh. Yeah, it's $350. So hindi pa siya kasama. So the whole set is around $3,700. Yeah, the whole set kasama yung sa gitna. Yeah. Magkano? Yung big is $120. Yeah. This one is $230. Yung kanilang parang drawer. Yeah, of course. They just set it up. So the cabinet nito sa baba is $360. Yeah. So 20 yung lalagyan. Tapos yung mga design is $20 din. Magkano basurahan nila? $14. Tapos ito hamper siguro $25. Ay, ang mahal naman itong salamin na to. $80. Yeah. So cluster 30. Nice. Kuya, careful. It's nice. Pang mayaman. Kuya, careful ah.
I like it in IKEA. You can try it.
This is for dogs area and laundry area also. Ito ay ang mahal. 100. Tapos itong sink ay 109. No, this one is for pets. Yeah.
That's that.
You wash your pets here. But do we have pets? No, we don't. Yeah. You see? There are the cars. No. Yeah, so this one is like a board. What is this? So, frame 25. So you could frame your toy cars here. You want like this?
You could stick it
But you
there.
cannot play your cars na. Papa found na the cabinet that we're looking for. So, ay! Hindi ganyan, Papa. Bookshelf. Gusto mo ganyan na lang para nakatago? Oh. Guys. Ano sa'yo mo?
Below 100 lang.
Budget is 100. Sabi ko may dimensions ako. Hindi kakasya yun. Kulang yung space. Hanap tayo ng iba. Yeah, I think this is what I like. Yeah, I think this is what I like, Kuya.
Do you want it? It's like if you spend
This one is very,
Not that you want to spend it. It's too
Yeah.
expensive.
Too expensive, 420. Yeah. Yeah, but eto sana guys yung peg ko para dun sa ano namin, sa homeschool area namin. Who has that one? Yeah. Shout out to Kamungaw family. We found your chair and it's expensive, but it's really nice. Is that a rocking chair? How much is it? How much is it, Ellie? 70. It's expensive. No, I think it's just the foam.
Decoration, so about.
I think it's just the foam, Kuya. The $44 is just the foam. And then the chair itself is, yeah, it's 105. It's expensive. Oh, this is nice. This is like kids set up for like kids bedroom. Yeah. So yung crib nila is how much? The mattress is 65. Magkano yung crib mismo? Wow, 230. Yeah. Tapos yung maliit na carpet na to is 40. This table is $50. Set na ba yun? I think this is a set na for $50. One table and 2 chairs. Ali, go down na. Yung closet niya guys is $200. So, mataas siya. Yeah. Yeah, the kitchen set.
And this one again.
This is, yeah, 120. It's nice. Montessori style. That's nice, no, Kuya? Montessori style, it means you could reach. It's easy for the kids to reach the stuffs so that they could do it independently. $80. To 120.
Oh, here.
Ellie, look here. Well, what is this, Kuya? Is it for sale or just for decoration? Yeah, wait, look, oh. Oh, this rack is for $80. How much is it, Kuya? And what do you need that for? $7? Nothing in here.
The chains.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Nice. So, for, ano to? Yeah. Clothes rack, $18.
Still.
Yeah.
I am puking stuff.
Okay. So this is for it. Yeah.
Wait, look at this.
106. Yeah. This is for the entrance door. For the mudroom also.
I'm checking.
But Kuya, this is actually a bed.
But this is actually a what?
A bed. You see, up there, it's 934. It's a bed. up there, and then down is the table. We need to close. Okay. Okay, please close. This is $100. Okay. Water daw.
Let's go down. Maybe all the things that we need is downstairs.
Yeah. $10 itong lalagyan. Sabitan, clothesline. Ito. Meron na kami sa price. Ay, ang mahal. Ba't ang mahal ito? Mas maganda yung kulay. $50. Pagpapasok, baka pagpapasok yung boots. Ganon, no? No? Pagpapasok yung boots, kaya mahaba. Magkano is $3 isa. Then, where will you go? Yay! How much is that, Kuya? Yeah, how much is this one? Is there a price? How much is it? Yeah, but this tent is $25. And this is $15. $4. Soft toy. Eto, kanina pa to ng let's go na let's go. Kuya! Samuel, come here na. No. Naghahanap kami guys nung aluminum na na chopping board. No, it's plastic eh. We want the aluminum one. Yeah, puro siya, plastic. Guys, yung asawa ko tuwang-tuwa. Pinakita sa akin to. Ito na lang nabili namin. Sabi ko, ano to? Sabi niya, chopping board. Tapos kaya pala niya pinakita sa akin kasi $1.99. Hindi siya aluminum, papa. Plastic din siya. Guys, it's cool to touch. And you touch, Kuya. Is it cold? Yeah.
Mama, it said one side is cool
And $60. Ah, one side is cooler. Yeah, unan. $60. The rugs, guys, ang gaganda.
Mama, we'll call
Yeah,
them.
it's nice,
Mama,
oh.
we'll call them if you want to get it.
Yeah, cozy rugs. It's nice. Yeah, but we bought rugs na eh. Yeah, we haven't bought anything because always kasi lagi sinasabi ni Papa Mike, check mo yun sa Amazon. Mas mura po sa Amazon. Ba't pa kayo pumunta dito? Ah, Papa. Ayan. Ayan na, marami saan. Ayan, this one. Yung mga orasan. We need a clock sa living area.
Papa, this one.
No, this one. No, just the simple one.
Just a simple one. Kasi $10. Kasi ni Papa yung simple one because it's $10. Yeah, I like that. Yeah. But it's $25. Yeah.
This one?
Yeah. No, is this one better or this one? This is also $10. Which one? Papa will choose. Which one?
I like this one because it's bigger.
Okay.
No, that one is better.
No, this one. Papa said this one. But Papa will buy. The numbers are bigger here. So we just get this one. Oh, it's so nice, oh. The lamps. Uy, Kuya, the turtle. Kuya, the turtle, oh. $20. Guys, nagsabi na naman ako kay Papa Mike. Kasi kasama sa listahan ko yung lamp. Sabi ko yung lamp ko para sa aking table. Papa, anong sabi mo sa lamp ko? Maliwanag daw sa pwesto ko. Huwag na daw ako bumili. Ayan, so meron kaming more than 1 hour na kami dito, guys. So meron kami isang orasan, $10. Ayan. How much is this, Kuya?
Hello.
No, how much is that? Please check. $5. Is this $5? Just wait. This one is $6.
I'll catch it.
No, I want for the bathroom.
Catch it.
Samuel, no.
Why not?
It's real plants.
I'll catch it.
I'm thinking of buying cactus na lang, Papa. Para low maintenance. Papa, this one maganda. It's $50. So, aloe vera. Aloe vera, Papa. We will buy it, yeah. So, we'll get aloe vera, guys. $6. Yeah. May sasabihin na naman siya, guys. Ano sabi mo? Kumuha na ako ng $6. Sabi ko, gusto ko yon. Yung malaki. Gusto ko yon. $50. Dami niya sinabi. So, nauwi na lang ako sa ganyan. May sinasabi pa rin. Ano sabi mo, Papa? Hindi ba ano?
Hindi ba delikado sa mga bata?
O, di ba delikado sa mga bata yung aloe vera? Okay, isa-search ko. Papa, ano yan? Ba't may ganyan tray? Ganito talaga dito. Guys, ito yung ano namin, late lunch. Magkano to, Papa? Magkano lahat? 34. Oh, lahat na to? Ah, kaya pala sabi ni Kuya, mura. So, ito daw guys, yung kanilang ano, Swedish dish. Ang tawag ay? Swedish meatballs. O, diba? Kakaiba naman yung pangalan. Yun lang, wala pangalan. And it's nice daw. You want to try, Ellie? You want to try, Ellie? Eat,
Closer.
Yeah, sarap. Sarap. Guys, pauwi na kami. I'm hungry. What did you say, Ellie?
I'm hungry now.
Why you're hungry? We ate You're hungry na? What do you want to eat? Say see you guys. Say see you guys.